what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a job at Walmart online. So first, you may want to head over to careers.walmart.com. And from here, you can start searching for jobs. Start by choosing a career area if it's stores and clubs, corporate, healthcare, technology, drivers. So, say for example, we're going to choose corporate. From here, you can start searching for a job title or keyword, and of course, choose locations. Or if you don't have an idea on the job that you want to get, you can just scroll down in this section. You can choose category for the job you're looking for. And say, for example, we're going to want to look for accounting and finance job. So we're just going to click on this. And from here, just proceed by clicking on see all openings. And in this page, you should be able to see job recommendations with its location. And to see more information about the job posting, just click on it. So from here, you can see more details about the job, location, employment type, career area, position type, job function, requisition, and even the position summary on what you'll do with the job. And to apply, just click on the apply button. And from here, you have an option to autofill with resume or apply manually, or you can also use your last application if you already have an existing one. So just click on the option. And from here, you will be prompted to create an account first. You can also see here a progress bar of all the details you're going to need to fill out or go through with your application. And you can start first here by creating an account. Just add in an email address and password. And you can proceed by creating an account. And from here, you can now start your application. All you have to do is fill out all the necessary information being asked, starting with your information and also your experience, your application questions, voluntary disclosures, and reviewing all the details that you entered. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye.